Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll teach you how to use Turtle. Turtle is an extension for Python that you use to draw with it whatever you want. Not like Paint. I'll show you. Now you should import it. Also, as T, it's a shortcut to not type the full extension again and again. Now, T dot forward make the turtle move toward the left, toward its front for 10. T dot done make the turtle stay in the screen. Now if we run, there it is. It moved a bit. Now let's show how strong the turtle moves. 100 bits. It moved a bit. Now, if you want the turtle to turn, we do this. Left or right? I'll do left. Run. It turned. And if we use forward again, T dot forward 100, run, it goes the direction you tell it. Now you want your turtle to be colorful. T dot color green, run. Now it turns green. Now, if you want the turtle to be fast or slow, T dot speed. You could tell it how much speed with the number and how much speed with its name. I want it to be as fast as possible. Fastest. It's gonna teleport to the way it wants to. Slowest. It's gonna show every step it's take. With numbers, it's the same. 9 is the max. 10 is so cool, is so fast. Like this. There will be more videos about Turtle if you want to draw with them. You could also use some normal Python like for I in range. Ten will make the turtle go forward 130 steps, and it will turn 45 every single time. Now if we run, it should do that 10 times. Wait, we got a hexagon. You could learn from more tutorials or even mine. I'll make them later. I hope you have a nice day. Great song, guys.